Yes, so this is the Power BI app. Okay, so I'm going to try to get my data, and I'll be using an Excel file. So I'll try to get the data here. So I just click on the Excel workbook and I'll try to look for the data where it's stored. I just downloaded it on my system. So okay. So it's a financial sample data like that. So after uploading it, it will take me to the Power Query where I can edit it in case of any error. So, okay, so it's up. So I have two tables here. I have two files here. One is financials. So I just want to see what is there. Okay, let me just check the second one. Okay, I think they are the same. The two of them are the same. So I'll just pick just one. So I'll pick the financials only. So instead of loading directly, I won't load it directly. I'll first try to transform the data to actually check the data if it's dirty, so I can clean it. If it's dirty, so I can clean the data. So I'm going to transform it in Power Query. So I'm going to click on transform data instead of load directly.
Okay, I have a question. So what does this data do? What is it going to do for us? What are we analyzing today?
I think we are just going to analyze some sales reports, just sales reports. Just a display of a sales report, nothing serious like that. I just want to try to keep it simple and fast.
All right, you can go on.
Yes, we are waiting for it. It's actually kind of slow, so it will come up very soon. It's loading. Okay, so this is the Power Query, and I'll just go through the data very fast to see if there is anything I should change. Okay, so on this table we have different columns. So let me just show you. We have different columns that actually start with this, the segment, the country, and the country is already, it's nice looking. Okay. Okay, so we have the products, those are the names of the products, the discount brand, the unit. So we have different ones like that. So it's just for me to check, okay, if the okay, if they are on, I forgot what I should call this too. Okay. Okay. Well, they all look good to me, but I just want to check for some. I want to make sure there's no null on each column. So I actually can't see because of this one here. So I'm just going to check the, okay, the column quality is already there. So it's just to show me, okay, if there is any null set on my columns, which there is none. I can look at the column distribution also to just check it out to be sure, okay, that they are all looking good. They have no error when I'm trying to analyze the file later. To me, I really think they look good for now. So I am just going to close and apply and take it to the main view. Okay, it's still trying to load. Loading. Okay. Okay, so because I don't have different tables, so I won't have to link them using. Hello, I hope you're there with me. Sorry.
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. I may not be using the right words for now, just because I'm not really settled. Okay, so let's just see what it looks like here. So, okay, so here's the data set, and here we can actually build a visual here. But since we have just one table, there's no need to start building a relationship between tables since there's just one table, so there's nothing to do here. So I'll just go straight to the visualization just to make it faster. So I will just start with the heading. I don't have much okay, they actually look good here, so I don't have to write any query or any quick measure or any DAX formula here, because most of the calculations have been done by Power BI, which is one of the reasons why Power BI is kind of unique, because it helps to make work faster and easier. So I'll just move straight to the visualization without wasting time. Okay, so I'll first start by creating a heading by using the shapes just to give it a good look. And I can change the colors and all. So I prefer using this black background. Yellow text. Okay, so I'm just going to write sales report. Okay, so I can also change the front. Oh, this is something bold. Okay, I'm changing this side. Okay. I think that's good. Okay. So I'm going to try to create some visual to make us understand the table, to give the table meaning, because just looking at it like this, I think is meaningless. We can't really get anything from it. So let me just start with some charts. Okay, so I can also edit my chart. Okay, before I edit it, let me just put the total sales for the year. Okay, so now we know the total sales that the company actually made as there on the card. So I can just change it just to make the visual look nice, then just looking clean. So I'm just going to give it a title so it should be easy for anyone viewing it to know what's that. So align it to the center, make it low. And change the family something low. Okay, so this is good. So I can just copy this one instead of okay. So I just copied it and I'm going to use that one to just visualize the profit. So I don't have to start redesigning it all over again. So I'm just going to change the heading to profit. Okay. So for us to know the total profit made, okay, and lastly, maybe we can just know the total gross sales too in a cat also. Yeah. And I can change the heading of that also. Yeah. And okay, so I'm just going to add something else to make us see the profits made by year, the profits made yearly. My dates. Okay, so we have just 2 years there. So I think I would have to change it to months using the dates hierarchy. So it will be profit made either quarterly or yearly or monthly. I think I'll go with quarterly. Let's just go with quarterly. So we have just 4 courses here. And I'm just going to change their font color so it actually look like the rest, and also give it a title. So I can change this one. Okay. And I can change the data colors also to yellow and change the background. Just make it, just beautify it and make it look like the rest. Um, and just increase some of the data levels. So let's just align it well. Okay, so we can also compare something else, just to compare and just give a visual of what the company has actually made through the year. And I'm just trying to be fast also. Oh, there's no promise here. Okay, so we can actually check out the sales by the sales they make monthly or yearly. I think there are only 2 years there. Okay. Mhm. Okay, I don't know if you have any questions to ask me for now. I don't know. I'm just trying to press. I don't really know. Like,
Oh no, I'm watching everything. So it's just basically visualization we're going to do for today, right?
yes, yes, for this night, because I'm just trying to be very fast. Just know, okay. Then maybe okay, if you want me to do something else, this one, I don't know what you want exactly. So I just downloaded this one. It's not as if I've really gone through it. I just downloaded it just okay. Let me just see what I can do with that one. Well, if you want me, maybe you want me to show okay, skills in cleaning the data and relationship
Yes.
or any other
Yeah,
thing,
let's
so I can
do
know
data
okay kind
cleaning.
of data to actually get for that.
Yeah, let's do data cleaning. I think that one is a little complicated for a lot of people. So let's say your data is messed up. How
Yeah,
do you
okay,
clean
but
it?
I'm not sure I really have I'm not sure I really have a data for that for this night. That's what I'm saying. If I had known earlier, that's what I'm trying to say now. Okay, if I had known earlier what you want exactly, then I would have tried to get a data for that one ready to actually show you. You understand? I don't know if you understand what I just said.
Yeah, I totally get you.
Yes. So, I just downloaded this one. I didn't even know there won't be much on the cleaning of data. I just saw it. Okay, I just downloaded that. Okay, let me just give it a try. I know I've not really done much for this night because I'm just trying to rush. Just wanted to know, okay, I actually understand the concept of using the Power BI.
Sure. And then the same applies to other tools too, basically.
Sorry?
I,
Hello, I
I
can't hear
said
you.
visualization applies to other tools too. So basically, aside from visualization, what else can you do with Power BI?
You can do many things with Power BI. You can actually combine different data from different sources from in Power BI. You can combine data from different sources from Excel, from what's it called? From text file, from SQL Server, different one. You can combine them and relate them together and try to get insight from it. And um, you can also analyze. When you analyze, you can actually predict things using the data in Power BI also. So I think with Power BI, we can actually do different things with data. It's actually a very powerful tool and it actually simplifies everything like the normal traditional way where you have to first get the data and try cleaning it using different syntax and program like that. With Power BI is just simple. It's just one tool that can actually do everything for you at a go easily. So I think that answers the question. Hello.
Sorry, I was on mute. I didn't know. Okay, so yes, this is perfect. Well done, Bukky, for a detailed explanation.
And I don't know if I still have some of my projects here, which I can show you also, if you don't mind seeing before the time
Yeah,
runs
I
out.
don't mind. I don't mind.
Okay, let me see if I can input.